Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the ID selector here. So oftentimes it's important to select a single element with CSS to give its own unique style. If an HTML element needs to be styled uniquely, we can give it an ID using the ID attribute. In contrast to class, which accepts multiple values and can be used broadly throughout an HTML document, an element's ID can only have a single value and can only be used once per page. To select an element's ID with CSS, we can simply prepend the ID name with a number sign or a hashtag. For instance, if we want to select the HTML element in the example above, it would look like this. So you have a large title and you have hashtag large title, and then the ID name is large title, therefore the selector is going to be hashtag large title. And then our task is going to be on line 11 of index.html. Inside the H1, add an ID with the value of article title. So let's add an ID here that says ID equals article title, right? Then navigate to style.css, add a rule set. Okay, let's go ahead and add it down here. We'll do hashtag article title, and then the font family is going to be cursive. And let's run it, and voila, there you go. You have it cursive. So essentially, what you need to take away from this is if you're just trying to style a single element right here, you can, or a single, component of this whole website, you can simply just go ahead and use an ID on here, and then you can style it using the hashtag ID selector there. So yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.